In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Razer Kraken V3 Pro to Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Razer Kraken V3 Pro on your Xbox. You will be able to use it directly on your Xbox. However, there is one big limitation. You cannot do it wirelessly. So even though you have the wireless dongle and that can be connected to your PC or a PlayStation console, for Xbox consoles in particular, they aren't able to recognize wireless headsets. So as it stands today, if you want to use the Razer Kraken V3 Pro on your Xbox Series X or S console, you have to plug it in using the 3.5mm audio jack. All that you have to do is plug one end of the cable into the headset itself and then the other one into any available port on your Xbox Series X, usually through the controller. And as soon as it is connected, you will be able to use it. So it will only work wired with an aux cable. This is stated in the official manual for the Razer Kraken V3 Pro if you would like to check. And like I said, it's mostly because the Xbox consoles don't support wireless headsets and it cannot be used through USB. So the only option that remains is going to be the aux cable. As soon as it is plugged in, it is going to be ready to be used. So it is plug and play. You don't have to spend time setting it up. Just remember to connect the microphone. You can use the volume knob on the headset itself. Make sure that it is powered on and you will be good to go. You can join voice chats, play games. You will be able to listen to all of the audio coming through the Xbox Series X on your headset. If you aren't satisfied with this, or if it doesn't work, then the best course of action would be to purchase a headset that is compatible natively with the Xbox Series X. Most generic headsets that support it will not have dedicated support, so it can be quite annoying to use. And such is the case for the Kraken V3 Pro. You can only connect it through the aux cable, and support might be limited. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Kraken V3 Pro to Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.